everybody. My name is Simone French. I'm a bartender here at Felix's Fish Camp, and today I'm going to show you how to make our delicious Moonshine Mojito. First, I'm going to start by taking 2 of our fresh limes. I'm going to squeeze that lime juice in there. Then I'm going to take about 6 mint leaves, give or take, depending on how big or small the mint leaf is. Then I'm going to pour 1.25 ounces of our delicious 80 proof North Carolina moonshine. Then we're going to take our muddler and really muddle those ingredients. Now while you're muddling, you want to make sure you do it with your spirit, your mint, and your lime, so you really get the mint infused in there. But you want to be careful so you don't muddle the lime peel too much. It'll make the cocktail bitter. I'm going to pour 1/2 ounce of sweetened lime juice, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. I'm going to ice this down, and then I will top with a lemon lime soda. So I'm just going to toss this to make sure everything distributes properly as far as the lime and mint go. And once again, garnish this with a fresh lime, add a straw, and you're ready to enjoy your delicious Moonshine Mojito.